Hey everyone, this is 80iscool98. I'm making a review on the Zippo Windproof Brush Chrome regular size lighter. Sorry if you can hear my sister and my family in the background, but I can't control that. I got this maybe 4 days ago for camping. And I actually just filled it 15 minutes ago, or 15 or 30 minutes ago. Made in the USA, lifetime warranty. Here, I'll try to focus this for you. This is the bottom plate. It says Brantford, Philadelphia, or PA. Made in the USA, Zippo D11. That iconic ting sound. Also on this it says best results of Zippo flints and fluid. Zippo Company, Brantford, PA. Zippo made in the USA. It's the little felt in the place where you put in the new flints. Since I just recently got this, I haven't really used it a lot. This is my first Zippo, but I know a lot about them. On this little pamphlet that comes with it, it says any pocket lighter returned to the factory will be put in first class mechanical condition. Finish is not guaranteed, blah blah blah, for free, so that's nice. It's worth getting. This lighter was only $16, because it has nothing on it. It's just brushed chrome. It's not very shiny. I purposely got that because I was going to use it for camping. This tells you how to fill it, and you're supposed to only use Zippo lighter fluid. If you use anything else, the warranty is voided, no matter what. Supposedly it's because it might gum up the lighter or whatever. It also has like other things. I don't really recommend the Zippo Blue. It's not very reliable, but these coincide with the filling and the replacement flints and trimming the wick. These are just pictures, like taking it out and filling and new flints and how to cut the wick and tips and tricks. And promoting the Zippo lighter fluid that you can only use in this lighter. So it has warnings because it doesn't have a child safety whatever, which I like because I don't like playing around with those to take off the child safety lock. It's just annoying to do every time you get a new one. But that comes in the cover. In this, when you pull it out, it's still advertising. Look for the Zippo butane blue. It's too expensive. It's not really worth it. It's not reliable. Made in the USA, Zippo. It actually fits in this case either. Whoops. Up and upside down, just so that it's easy to. You can't put it in wrong. There's not really many tricks that I could do, but I like it. Bye guys. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video.